Evan at 2 years old. Evan, let's name some airplanes. Which one you want to do first? Name one of those. Give me one. Tell me what the name is. What's that? What's that?
To eat.
And
Hornet.
a hornet. What's this one? Get another one. Where? Show Daddy. Where is a Wright Flyer? Ooh, that's a good one. Oh, good job. Where's the P-40? Where's the P-40 Warhawk? P-40 Warhawk. Let me see it. Let me see it. No, try again. P-40 Warhawk. That's the. Which one's that? That's a P-47. What's that? A P-40 Warhawk. Good job. Oh, you have two. Oh, what was that last one you picked up? That's a P-47 what? No, that other one you picked up. Oh, you covered it. What's that name? What's that one you have right there?
Two bomber.
A B-2 Bomber, yes.
I love that.
You love that one. Show Daddy. Ooh, what's that?
Cessna.
A Cessna? Good job.
I want to have it.
Uh-huh.
I want to fly in
Give me
there.
another one. Show Daddy another one. What's that? What's that?
I don't know.
A Thunderbird F-16?
Eagle.
No, F-16. Fighting Falcon. Where's the... What's that? SR...
Blackbird.
SR-71 Blackbird. C-17. C-17 Globemaster.
Two raptor.
A Raptor. Yes, where's another Raptor? Where's another Raptor? Where's another one? Ooh, what's that? A GB Racer.
Tiny.
Ooh, what's that one? Another one.
I just found it.
You just found that one.
Two raptor.
A Raptor, yep.
This is no one.
Ooh, what's that one? What's that?
Two Mitchell.
A B-25 what?
Two Mitchell.
Mitchell, yes.
What is this?
I don't know. It's a toy. Where's a Pit Special? Oh, good job. Great job.
Bottom.
Red bottom. Ooh, where's another F-16 Fighting Falcon? I think you have another one somewhere.
No.
F-16. Ooh, what's that?
Two eagle.
An Eagle, yes. F-15 Eagle.
I got two.
Oh, you have two of them.
Eagles.
Yes, sir. What's next? Where's a P-38?
Lightning.
A Lightning? Where's a P-38 Lightning? Oh, good job. Good job. Oh, you have two of them. Great job. What's the skipper's called? What kind of plane?
Corsair.
A Corsair, yes. Where's a Harrier? Where's the Harrier? Do you remember what that one is? The Harrier that takes off straight up. The Harrier. Let's try. What's that? An F-4 Phantom. Where's a F-104
Starfighter.
Starfighter? Where's that?
I don't know.
F-104 Starfighter. Oh, good job. Great job, buddy. Good job. F-117. F-117 Nighthawk. Where's that? F-117 Nighthawk. Oh, good job. Ooh, that one. What's that?
I know.
F-14.
Ooh.
Hold on. Slow down. F-14. What's this? F-14.
Tomcat.
Tomcat, correct.
What is this one?
That's the Harrier you couldn't find earlier. Ooh, what's that funny name?
Oh, this one.
What's that funny name? That's a
I found two raptor.
Another raptor. Another raptor. What about, what's this one called? The funny name starts with an M.
B.
Meh.
B.
Meh.
Measurement.
Messerschmitt. Good job. Almost done. Hold on.
Dark
Ooh, what's that? What's this one?
A zero.
A zero, yes. What about this one?
Ooh. Tomcat.
A Hellcat. Good job. Ooh, this is a tough one.
This is an elevator.
Uh-huh, that's a tough one. What's this?
This is a tough one,
Yep.
too.
What is that?
Edge.
An edge? An edge. What's this? Look, Daddy has this one. A Lancer, B1B Lancer. Good job.
Ooh, that's a troll.
A remote control.
Yes.
What kind? An RQ1. What's this? RQ1
That's a
Predator.
spider.
You already have this one. F-18
Hornet.
Hornet.
I found this one.
Oh, is that another one? Who's
For angel.
a Blue Angels? Yes. What about a B-24 Liberator? Oh, good job. Good job.
Propellers.
Oh, propellers fell off. I know. You could. Where's Ooh, what about
Fall, crash of water.
What's this? Regular one.
Fire.
Piper Warrior. Yeah.
Almost done.
Ooh, this is a tough one. What's this?
This is a tough one.